Hi, this is Mike from Richey Clapper. Today we're going to show you a little bit about the Brush Wolf 4200 Brush Hog deck to fit the Toro Dingo mini skid. I'm going to go over a little bit of the operation, how to attach the attachment to the machine, and give you a couple of tips for best practices in using it. All right, here we go. Just like all hydraulic powered attachments that go on the Dingo, you want to make sure that your fittings are nice and clean before you attach it. So if they're capped, that's great. Have a little rag with you. Wipe the fittings off both on the attachment and on the machine side. Keeps dirt out of the hydraulic system, makes everything last longer. Okay, so grab your quick attach, male attachment first on the attachment side. Get ready to plug that in. You hear that nice positive click, you know you're in. Sometimes it's good practice to grab your auxiliary hydraulic valve and crack that, move it through the range of motion. That's going to relieve the pressure in the lines. Now your second fitting should go in relatively easy, and there it is. So your fittings are on, check your quick connects down here, make sure everything's good, and then you're ready to go. This one here we're going to have to bounce around a little bit till that falls in. It will throw some material, so make sure that you have bystanders, safe distance, and always keep the attachment low to the ground. You don't want to raise it up in the air when you're running it. Thanks for watching. Give us a call or visit us at our website.